Yeah. 18-inch. Okay. We make a charm bracelet. I get some cute charms. $1. This plier is very good for the Chuck E. Cheese open. Chuck E. Cheese open plier, very easy and good use. Okay. So let's making the piece of the necklace. $3 you mean the silver color? Where is the teddy bear hanger here? All the random How much is the chain? Chain the gold 6.3, the silver is 3. $6.3 for gold, 3 for silver. We will be hanger. Make it the simple like this. Okay. Touch the middle big one first at the middle of the chain. Touch the middle big one first. And touch with a fish. This is for charm bracelet or charm necklace. Oh, not no, not charms. Here. Not this one, the fish. I change it to a cute moon. How much will cost a necklace like this? Do you mean the cost? Let me check. Okay. I calculate to show you. The charm for the gold, $2 for the middle moon, $2. Fish, $2. 2, so it's 4. 2.4 and 2.4, 6.4. So 6.4. Then this moon 1.6. 6块4加1块6 and the small cute 1.4 加1块4. All the charms cost 9.4 and the chain is cost about 3.5. Okay, 3.5. Then the robust clasp and the jumbo total we calculate later as $1. So total cost for this necklace is 13.9. Okay. So how do you think about the price? If you buy a necklace with 5 charms and you can check in jewelry shop how much it will cost. They are all stainless steel with PVD plating, non-tarnish, go shower, go swimming, no problem. The color will not going to be tarnished. You can wear it several years, no problem. Yeah. Okay. So this is the piece of the necklace. At least 30, yes, of course. So this one a very simple necklace. Yeah. Then we will going to look at the end. Can I have the same in the silver? In silver, the chain or the charm? The charm, yes, it with the some charm with the silver color. Yeah. Okay, wait. I will show you the charms. Actually, we not must be use these charms. We have many different charms. You can make the necklace in different theme. You can make a heart necklace, an animal necklace, or a moon and the sun, or a beach necklace. Yeah. So let's see it. Okay, so this one is the necklace that can be fast making. Just jumping, hang on, then with the chain and the charm. This chain is easy making.